Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. Yes, I have a small problem.
What is it?
My phone battery is empty and I need to call my friend.
No problem. We have a charger at the counter.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can use it while you look around.
I'd also like to buy a souvenir.
Of course. What are you looking for?
My sister loves New York. Maybe a magnet?
We have many magnets here.
Ooh, this one with the Statue of Liberty is nice.
That's a favorite. It's $4.
Great, I'll take it. And a postcard, please.
The postcards are on this shelf.
I'll take this one with the city skyline.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you for letting me charge my phone.
How long are you in New York?
Just one more day.
Enjoy your visit.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I have a small request.
What is it?
May I use your restroom?
Sorry, it's for customers only.
That's okay. I'll buy something.
Would you like bread or a pastry?
Just a bottle of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Thank you.
How much is it?
$1.50.
Here you are. Thank you. The restroom is in the back, past the kitchen.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. A few minutes later.
Thank you again.
No problem. It's busy today, isn't it?
Yes, lots of people.
Well, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What brings you in today?
I feel sick. I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt this way?
Since last night.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel hot.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a mild fever. Let me listen to your chest.
Is it serious?
No, it's just a cold.
What should I do?
Rest, drink water, and take this medicine.
How often?
Twice a day.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Would you like espresso, latte, or regular coffee?
Just regular coffee, black.
What size?
Medium, please.
Any milk or sugar?
No, just black.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Are you visiting Boston?
Yes, it's my first time.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
That's wonderful. Boston is a great city.
It's cold today.
Yes. Boston is famous for cold weather.
This coffee will help.
It sure will. Are you seeing the sights?
Yes, and I want to try clam chowder.
You must. Try Joe's Diner, 2 blocks away.
Thank you for the tip.
Here's your coffee. That's $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your day in Boston.
You too. Goodbye.
Hi there. How can I help you?
I'd like a bus ticket to Philadelphia.
For what day?
For today, please.
Let me check. We have a bus at 5 p.m.
What time is it now?
It's 4:30 p.m.
Perfect.
One way or a round trip?
One way, please.
That's $40.
Do you take card?
Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your ticket and your receipt.
Which gate does the bus leave from?
Gate 7.
Where is gate 7?
Go straight, then right. You'll see the signs.
Is the bus on time?
Yes, it's on schedule.
How long is the trip?
About 3 hours.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Excuse me.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking at this jacket.
It's very popular. 100% cotton.
It feels nice. I love the green color.
It looks great on you.
Thank you, but it's $70.
Yes, that's the price.
It's a bit expensive for me.
Let me check if there's a discount. Good news! This week all jackets are 25% off.
Really? That's great.
New price is $52.50.
Much better. I'm a student, by the way.
If you have your student ID, you get another 10% off.
Wow, that's amazing.
Just show your ID at the register.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Happy to help. Please follow me to the counter.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What's the problem?
I was on the flight from Paris. My bag is missing.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which flight?
Flight 22. It arrived at 2 p.m.
And all the other bags are gone?
Yes, the carousel stopped. My bag never came.
Don't worry. This happens sometimes.
What do I do now?
First, fill out this form.
Okay.
What does your bag look like?
It's a big black suitcase with a red ribbon.
I'll check the computer. Ah, I see a note.
Is it good news?
Yes, your bag was put on the next flight by mistake.
So it's not lost?
No, it will arrive in 1 hour.
Thank goodness.
You can wait here, or we can deliver it to your hotel.
I'll wait. I need my bag.
No problem. I'm glad we found it.
Me too. Thank you for your help.
Hello? To the airport, please.
Good morning. Which airport?
JFK, please. And please hurry, I'm late.
What time is your flight?
10:30 a.m.?
What time is it now?
9:45 a.m.?
That's close. Traffic is heavy this morning.
Oh no, I can't miss my flight.
Don't worry, I know a shortcut.
Is it much faster?
Yes, usually. Which airline?
Skyjet.
I know that terminal. We should get there by 10:15.
Thank you.
You still have to hurry.
That's okay. I'll run if I have to.
Just relax. I'll get you there.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Here we go.
Excuse me.
Hi there. How can I help you?
I found this jacket, and I love the color.
It's a great choice. Very popular this season.
But it's a size large. It's too big for me.
Do you need a medium or a small?
Medium, please.
Let me check in the back.
Sorry, we sold the last medium this morning.
Oh, that's too bad.
Let me check our other stores.
That would be great.
Good news. Our store at the mall has one medium.
Is it far?
No, just 15 minutes by bus.
Can you call them and hold it for me?
Of course. What's your name?
Maria.
Okay, Maria. They will hold it for you today.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jacket.
Hi, I'd like to join the Gym B.
Welcome. Are you interested in a monthly or yearly membership? Welcome. Are you interested in a monthly or yearly membership?
That's $35 per month. Would you like to start today?
Yes, please. Great. Please fill out this form.
Done. Do you have yoga classes?
Yes, every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m.
That's perfect. Can I join this week?
Of course. Here is your membership card.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout.
Hello. Do you sell food for puppies?
Yes, we have special puppy food here.
Which one is best for small dogs?
This brand is very good for small puppies.
How much is it?
It's $8 for a small bag.
I'll take one, please.
Would you like a toy for your puppy?
Yes, a small ball, please.
Here you go. That's $10 in total.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Have a great day with your puppy.
Thank you. Bye.